On Memorial Day weekend 2020, as COVID-19 restrictions were being lifted at the Angeles National Forest, a friend and I decided to go on an overnight backpacking trip to Pacifico Mountain, which sits at 7,124 feet in elevation. And this is an area that is accessible through the Mill Creek Fire Station. That is where we parked our cars and headed uphill on an area that includes the Pacific Crest Trail for all the way into a junction where we hiked about another mile to the campground that sits at the summit of Pacifico Mountain. The campground is at the summit of Mount Pacifico, and it has several spots where you can pitch a tent. There are picnic tables. There is a pit toilet, and I highly recommend it if you want to do a quick overnight and test your gear. On the way back, we took the fire road due to a downed tree that is on the Pacific Crest Trail that was a challenge getting over. And it is exposed and it is hot, so be advised that the fire road will be easier, but it will be exposed. And altogether, I recommend this as an overnight to test out your gear. Have fun.